didn't even get to cross.
Guys, JC2, welcome back to another video. I know I haven't been posting in a long time. Okay, I know I haven't been posting in a long time because there's really no Pokemon stuff to do or anything. But today I've got something new. It is a NBA pack. As most people know, I play basketball myself. You know, all-star using it. Yeah. And this is a unwrap. This is like the first rookie cards, like the first pack, I think. So it's like this is a rookie pack, I'm pretty sure. 30 cards. So yeah, let's get straight to it. First time opening one. Oh, it's just like you open it just like a Pokemon card. So I'm just gonna do. Okay. No, I'm pretty sure. No, this is this is everyone. So it's like, yeah. So let's get to it. So we have. Wait, let me just do a better angle. Hold on. Okay. So let's do this. So first, we have friend Simmons, Dwayne Wade. Okay, so I'm gonna put people like rookies, people I don't know, and then people I know that are like very good here. OG, Toronto Raptors, you already know. Mario Hanja. He stepped over Giannis. Sorry about that. So Trey Brown Jr., I don't know him. Grayson out. Oh, yo, he's a rookie. He's very nice. He's on like a Duke. Yeah, he used to be on Duke. Very nice. Spent like 5 years. So rookies are gonna be here. People I don't know are right here, and good vets, rookies, and whoever right there. So yeah. So Allen Iverson. Yo, he's a legend. Whoa, what? Yo, this is round. Every color deck. Okay, I'm just gonna flip the deck. Okay. Maxi Caliber. Do not know him. John Henson. Oh yeah, I know him. He's pretty good. UDA game winner like 2 days ago. Miles Bridges. He's very good. He dunked on someone in the summer league. DeAndre Ayton, first round pick. What again? Okay. Raymond Felton. Do not know. Gerald Green, cut off his. Well, he has 4 fingers on my hand. Fun fact. Al Horford, pretty good. Dario Saric, he's not that good, but I'll put him there. Rondo, you already know, game winner against his former team. Okay, now this is where it gets good. Hollow cards. Really, it's like Pokemon, you know. Hollow cards is like Pokemon, but yeah, but it's not like you can't feel it or anything. Go let me see it. Really, Cauley Stein. Hollow card. Oh, what is this? Lights Camera Action card. Called Jokic 4-star card. He's all-star. The Pulse. Yo, got Curry. Yo, again? That's Luka. Force of the Flu Tour. I think that's what it says. Luka he's saying that he's better shooter than Curry, but I don't think that's true. Austin Rivers got traded a bunch of times. Jeremy Lamb, kind of a bust. DJ Augustin used to play for Raptors. Stanley Johnson, don't know him. Bama Debayo, know him a little. So I'll put him like here. Shabazz Napier. I was about to say Shabazz Muhammad. Actually, no. Napier. I know Napier. I know him. And Domantas Sabonis, very good. Wish Raptors traded for him instead for Gasol. But Yo Carter. Yo, is that a holo card? Is that a holo card? I think that's a holo. Wait, do all cards do that? I think all cards do that. Let's get... Yeah, all cards do that. And then we have Scalabius. Do not know him. So yeah, that was the unwrap the first rookie cards from 2018-19 draft class. NBA Hoops. 30 NBA trading cards. Yeah. Time for the recap. So, for rookies that I know and are pretty good, only got Grayson Allen. Check. Back. So, Grayson Allen, number 247 out of 300 cards. So, see right here, I think it says Duke, see? Yeah, he's a guard. Yeah. Played from 2014 to 2018 for Duke, the college team, because Duke's not in the NBA. That's what Zion is. Yeah, so. I went the distance at Duke, sticking around for 4 years as a member of one of the nation's elite college hoops program. The dedication paid off in the form of the first-round draft slot. The hard-working guard made his way into the NBA as the 21st overall selection, 2018, landing with the Jazz. So this is height 6'5", weight 198, born 1995, draft 2018 from Duke. Okay, now people that I don't know, we have Scalabius here. He's on the Kings, as you see here. So, number 57. Last year spent 2017 settling in his stretch 5. Shooting, athleticism, and energy give him an edge over his... Okay, no one really wants to know about him. Bam. Okay. Bam Adebayo. Miami. Okay, you could pause and read that if you want. Could pause. Read that also. Yo, Milwaukee, Chris Milton. Iman Fulton. I feel like I know him. But no, do not. If you want. Max Kellerberg. Read that if you want. Also read these two if you want. These are the card numbers, yeah. Definitely going to be keeping all these cards. Time for these cards. Hold on, I just line them up. Yo, I actually into this, like Pokemon, I'm actually like into it. So we have Dwayne Wade. Everyone knows about him. Last Dance, played with LeBron James. Known to be almost greatest. Read that. Cause I'm not trying to stretch the video 10 minutes. Vince Carter. Did not get selected in All-Star draft. All-Star cause there's D-Wade, he got selected All-Star for like special honorable mention something. So yeah, you could pause that if you want. OG, Toronto Raptors, and I would read it. Showing why the Raptors invested the first round picking him. OG Anunoby displayed his soft touching and high basketball IQ against the Magic on April 8, 2018, leading all players in minutes 34. He scored 21 points and grabbed 8 rebounds. It was one of 2 times rookie hit the 20-point mark. Shabazz Napier, kind of know him. Domantas Sabonis. No one. Oh, DJ Augustine too. Okay, press So if you want, read it. The Montes Sabonis. Read it. Okay, Austin Rivers. Got traded a bunch of times. Jeremy Lamb, kind of a bust. Read it if you want. Okay, back of the flu. 2A, I think that's what it is. Can you read this? Luka Doncic. Faces of the future. Oh, I think. Oh, yeah, faces of the. Oh, okay. So, faces of the future. Plus, with their winning pedigree combined with the ability to stretch the floor. And finish in the paint. Doncic came to Dallas with a whole lot of hoopla. The combo card was drafted after leading EuroLeague. Yeah, he's Final Four MVP honors in the process. The Pulse, Stephen Curry, selected number 2 in the All-Star draft by Giannis Antetokounmpo. Stephen Curry with the defender attached to his hip like a magnet, Curry wiggles his way to freedom through a flurry of fancy dribble moves. Once he navigates his way into the lane, the crafty floor general then hoists a high arching floater over the outstretched arms of rim protector and into the basket for a deuce. Nikola Jokic, first All-Star game. No. It seems that Joker possesses multiple sets of eyes by the way he finds his teammates whenever they shake free of defenders and delivers perfectly placed passes that lead to a ton of buckets in the camping. He averaged 6.1 helpers per game, clearing 13 out wings with at least 10. They call that Jokic. And we have Willie Cauley-Stein. So, given starters minutes for the first time, the 7-footer posted career highs in several categories in 2017-18. Cauley-Stein had 12 double-doubles and finished the season as a team leader in rebounds 7.0 and steals 1.1, showing himself to be a pillar of Sacramento's future plans. Rondo. Okay, won't read these, so read that if you want. Dario Saric. Get more cards than Pokemon, so I think I'll be posting more of this. Read that if you want to. Horford. Read that if you want. Gerald Green. Read that if you want. DeAndre Ayton. Read that if you want. Miles Bridges. Read that if you want. Yeah, he's pretty good. I like him. Rudy Gay. Read that if you want. So I really want De'Aaron Fox. Wait, okay. Now read him if you want. I really want De'Aaron Fox because he's my favorite, almost one of my favorite players in the NBA. Yeah, like favorite rookie, senior, whatever. Allen Iverson. He's like a legend. So, read that if you want. And yeah, Mario Hezondra. Read that if you want. Right here. So yeah, my arm hurts right now. So, this is what I got from the NBA Hoops trading card game pack. So yeah, see you next time. Bye.